Uncover high potential leads on WhatsApp with AI. A lot of small businesses use WhatsApp to manage users, questions, and queries like a CRM. And some of these conversations give off strong buying intent, which I can analyze at scale and pinpoint for you, so sales opportunities don't slip away. As you can see here, I have one user having a certain query about my product findusers.ai. And I have a bunch of messages like this, and going over all of them one by one might be not as efficient as compared to using AI to analyze and pinpoint the exact leads that I should prioritize right now. So we are going to do an MCP setup for Claude AI. We have already covered how to set up MCP, so I'm specifically going to show you how to configure it to work with WhatsApp. First, we are going to go to the browser, and I will attach all the links in the comments. The first thing that we need to install on your Mac is to use this tool called Homebrew. It will help you to install a bunch of tools. It's very useful. So we are just going to copy paste this command and paste it in our terminal. To open terminal, click on command space, terminal, and here we are. So I'm just going to paste this command, click enter, then it will ask me for my user password. I'll just enter my password. And then I would need to click enter a bunch of times. I have already installed this tool, so I'm not going to continue. But in your case, just press enter, 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 and it will just work. After that, close your terminal and open it again. Now we are going to install two additional tools that we will need to run the WhatsApp MCP. First, the tool called Golang. So it's a programming language tool. As you can see here, you don't really have to go into details on what is this tool about. You just need to install it. So since we already installed Homebrew, we are going to use it to install Golang. All you need to do is to run this command, brew install go. And once you do that, it will simply install the program for you. You will not encounter any issues at this step. In my case, I have it already installed, so it just tells me that I already installed it. Now we're going to relaunch terminal again, terminal, and then we're going to install a tool called UV. So UV is basically another programming tool that will help you to run certain Python programs. And to install it, again, simple with brew, we're going to just run brew install UV. And then it will just install the program. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to run it, but in your case, just run this command. Now, once we do that, again, we close the terminal and open it again. We close and open terminal to make sure that all of these installed tools are actually functioning and they are set up correctly. Right, so we're going to go to this guide for WhatsApp MCP server. And here we have a bunch of commands to copy paste too. So first, we're going to copy this command, right? We copy and paste it. We're just going to run this command. This will copy the WhatsApp MCP program to our computer. Done. Now we are going to navigate to that folder. So cd is a command for navigation. So we're just going to go to that folder. Okay, just run cd and then the folder name, like so. After that, we're going to run, again, copy paste. We just copy paste, enter, copy paste, enter, and what will happen here, it will prompt you the authentication for WhatsApp. So what you need to do now is to go to your WhatsApp on your phone, click on the settings, click on link device, and scan this QR code. I'm pretty sure you already know how to do it. Now in my case, I'm not going to do it because it will immediately leak all of the information on the screen now. So I want to avoid that. So it will you just do it on your own. It will basically help you to authenticate. After that, just make your terminal window smaller. Don't close it. Then we're going to open Claude Desktop. So for Claude, we're going to click here, click on Settings, click on Developer Settings, click on Edit Configuration. Edit Configuration, once you click that, it will guide you to this file, and just open it with your any preferred text editor. So for example, on Mac, we can use TextEdit. Okay, I have a bunch of stuff here, but it doesn't matter. So now we are going to go back to the guide and simply paste the following part. So only the WhatsApp part. So you can see there is a WhatsApp and then there is a brackets a bunch of brackets. So we're going to copy only this part. Oops, only this part. So we leave 2 brackets at the bottom here, and we leave this part here. So we're going to copy it here, like so. And then we're going to paste it here. Now, as you can see, I have already done it. Once we paste everything here, what we need to modify the path for our UV tool and the folder that we just copied for WhatsApp MCP server. So how are we going to do that? So you will already have a WhatsApp server running. So let me just, okay. You already have the server running. So this is WhatsApp MCP server that we need to keep running. So now while it's running, we're going to press Command T in the terminal. This will open a new tab. Here we're going to type cd. After that, we're going to check where UV is installed. To do that, we're going to use which UV command. This will show you some path that we're just going to copy paste, and we just paste it right here. Okay, so the command part. Now, then we need to point this part to the specific directory where WhatsApp MCP server resides. To do that, we're going to navigate to WhatsApp MCP folder that we copied earlier, and after that we're going to run command pwd. So now we just need only this part. We're going to copy only this part, so basically your user, most likely it will be your /users and your username. We're going to copy that, go to text edit again, and we're just going to paste it here. So as you can see in the guide, you just need to replace this specific part with the output. So /users/ your username. After that, we're going to close this file, and we're going to close Claude AI desktop app and relaunch it. So we're going to close it. I'm going to fully close it. And after that, we can just run Claude app. And once you run your Claude application, as long as the setup went smoothly, you can simply ask whatever question you have regarding your WhatsApp messages. So in my case, I'm asking specifically, can you find messages mentioning findusers.ai, because I want to find the potential leads and rank them in terms of potential upgrade leads. So I want to see if there are any basic users that want to upgrade to my pro plan. Now I'm asking it to use random placeholders for names and contact numbers because I want to anonymize it for this specific demo. And as you can see, Claude AI will start to do some job. It will find those WhatsApp messages, it will go through them, and after that it will provide me and rank the potential leads. Now in my case, I have only 2 leads because this, for the sake of demo, I'm using a corporate WhatsApp account. However, in your case, you will probably find much more leads, good quality leads, much faster. As you can see, it tells me that this is a basic plan user. It tells me what's their use case. It tells me exactly what's their pain point. It tells me when they interacted with me, and it also provides me some sort of notes and thought process of AI. Now I just want to say, make sure that you do not leak any sensitive data to AI. It's still important to understand that this data goes to Claude AI. It goes to the Anthropic servers. So if you have any privacy policy or compliances at your workplace, at your company, you need to be careful with the data. And if you are interested in how to do this in a private manner, you can just comment interested under this video and we'll get back to you. That's all. Thank you guys.